Hey everyone! I've got my co-chef Cohen in the kitchen with me. What you eating, bud?
Smoothie.
Smoothie. Yummy, yum. Well, hey, it's me, Stacey Heine, your holistic nutritionist. Welcome back to the Urban Pharmacy, where we help remove the overwhelm of healthy, holistic, and plant-based living. And today we are super excited because we have a new gadget in the kitchen. Behind Cohen is our new Denali Beast dehydrator, and we are super excited to just make a simple fruit leather. What kind of flavor are we going to do our fruit leather with? No, you can't eat the apple. You can eat the recipe. We're going to do strawberry.
Okay.
Strawberry apple. It is strawberry season.
Okay.
We are going to do dates. And,
Why? I love my sushi.
okay. So we're going to blend this up, and that's, oh, we need to add a cup of water as well.
I need it.
Can you show everybody your apron? I'm just going to blend this up
It's green.
with my tamper stick.
It's green.
Watch out, Hazel. Fruit leather is so easy. I used to make this for the farmer's market. We have a huge commercial dehydrator. I didn't want to use that anymore because it holds so much power. It was just huge. It's like the size of an oven. And I'm really glad that I have something that can fit on our countertop now. And it does the job. So what I love about the Denali dehydrator, and I'll show you more about this in a separate video, but I love it that it's square and it comes with fruit leather silicone sheets. So that means not only, sorry, I just have to make sure that there's like no animal hairs. I just want to make sure. So I'm sitting here blowing my trays. This is just really a scrappy video today. Welcome to the Urban Pharmacy and Mom Life. This is what we're rolling with.
Yum!
Just so delicious. So again, what I like about it is that like instead of it being circular and having a hole in it, this can actually be really beneficial because you can make wraps and fruit rolls with
Now
it.
I can wipe my finger on my apron.
It's a stainless steel tray and these silicone trays. So a key to having good, smooth fruit roll-ups is to have an offset spatula that you can spread the batter around on. Okay, so Cohen is spreading his, and I am going to spread mine. I had to go and find our spatulas. He has a mini 6-inch spatula. I have a larger one, and it just makes it really easy to fill these trays. As you can see,
I think I need more.
you might need more. You might just make 3 wraps with this recipe. We're doing like a live test. I know these taste good, I just don't know the volume. So we'll make sure to show you at the end of this video what the final product looks like. But these offset spatula, I'll link it down below. It's really makes it so much easier to make even fruit leathers and even raw wraps, which I will show you how to make in another episode. So that is what it looks like in the silicone tray. And I'm just gonna finish filling the trays. All right, so this is Cohen's wrap. He's going to place it into the dehydrator and slide it right in. Cool. All right, so here is the final product, the fruit leather. And I'm just peeling it off of the fruit leather tray. And I made it thick, so it's nice and pliable and going to be totally delicious. It peels right off. It makes it so easy. So thanks to the addition of some psyllium husk in there, it really just makes it easy to peel right off. And now we can make delicious fruit roll-ups. We can eat this just straight, into strips. We can cut it, or we can roll it up, place a piece of parchment, and cut them into smaller pieces and store them in like glass ball jars in the refrigerator. But the recipe is down below. I hope that you enjoy this. You don't have to use parchment paper at all, you can simply just kind of like cut your fruit roll up in half, basically. And now you have your little roly-poly fruit roll up. Yummy! I hope that you enjoy this. This Denali dehydrator is awesome for wraps and fruit leather alike, in addition to making your own kale chips or making raw cinnamon rolls. There's so many options. Raw burgers, pizza crusts. So if you don't have a dehydrator yet and you want to make dehydrated fruit or savory applications, quiches, all the things, I highly suggest you get one. It's also a really great tool to have to dehydrate herbs and preserve your summer harvest. All right, enjoy.